How to hide an Instagram story from someone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, swipe towards the right on your screen in order to go to the Story Settings tab, and then tap on the Settings option on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for Story. Tap on that and then tap on the Hide Story From option you see there. Further, tap on the search bar and search for the individual from whom you want to hide your story, and then tap on their name. Finally, tap on the Done option you see there, and now go back. And if you add story to Instagram, then that particular individual will not be able to view your story. So, this is how you can hide an Instagram story from someone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.